What is up, A team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day, or not, depending on where you're at, but I hope it is awesome. And man, oh man, have the tables turned in crypto, at least for XRP. Pretty excited to sort of see where it was at. It was cool to actually be on live last night and talking about where this was going to be. A lot of us were saying, hey, you know, this actually is a good price. Let's see where it goes. I said midnight. I was going to actually reevaluate it, and honestly, it's great to sort of see those trades come to fruition. To be honest with you, so it was really nice to see that. I do want to say what's up to everyone. Yes, Friday the 13th. It's Friday the 13th, so make it Freaky Friday. I appreciate you, Selmo. It's good to see everyone in the chat here. You guys are already ready to rock and roll on this Friday afternoon. We got Colt member in here, Moomster. What's up, dude? Selmo, Fudd, Kai, for real. We got Steven to win. What's up, man? We got Aaron. Yeah, it's good to see everyone here. Guy, good to see Guy in here. Ashley, Jeremy. Yeah, we got Focus Insight, Daniel. We got a lot of people already in here, man. Kicking it off this Friday morning or Friday afternoon, depending on where you're at. And Rebecca, what's going on? Good morning, Seiko. A-Team Strong. Good to see you, buddy. Yeah, C-Wife, what's up? What's up? Good to see everyone in here, man. This is a good Friday. We have Friday the 13th in the house here. Crypto market is actually looking pretty it's looking pretty decent. I'll say, it's up on the hour, which is great. The best part of the day though is our XRP price. We all called this last night on stream. I said right around midnight, we're going to probably see the price go to its point where it's going to meet up, and we could probably end up, somewhere getting in there and making a play on it. It went down to 228. And a lot of people swooped in and got it. I woke up, I set my alarm for 11:30. This hit around 11:45. And it was just exciting to sort of see your trade come to fruition, right? I mean, that's what you're here for. So you get all excited, and now you're seeing that XRP is actually doing pretty good, back up to 243. So a lot of people are doing pretty well. Overall, like I said, the crypto market's doing pretty good on the last hour. The stock market's looking a little bit down overall. There is some positive news here in the stocks. As you guys know, they're talking about Bitcoin. Anytime it's in the stock market side, I get a little excited about it. I did decide to pull up some crypto bubbles. I don't typically do this I don't really care, but a lot of people actually like to see the crypto bubble. So you can see that we are in the green over the last 15 minutes. Last hour, it's looking okay. In the last week, we're looking a little dismal. But really what I want to get into was our price of XRP. As you guys can see right here, we did very well on this, and I couldn't be happier with where we're at, to be honest. And a lot of us were calling this out last night and even yesterday afternoon. And so here we are today with it sitting at roughly about a 242. This went all the way up to about, 248. So that's looking pretty awesome. Got to say that. Neil, what's going on, man? Neil's in the house here. We have BTC pump. BTC's back up above a 101. You can't be upset about that either. Again, comparing these, this hit right around the same time last night, or really close to last night. You can see this coming down and then popped up today on the day chart. So yeah, even if you were tracking BTC, it's doing really well. I like Ledger, anything Ledger, Ali, anything Ledger. Just want to say what's up to everyone over here on TikTok. Appreciate you all for joining over here. Holding my XRP. Heck yeah, dude. What is that? I'm just going to say Protonium. Thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You are now officially a member of the channel, and I appreciate that so much. Austin Strong, 18 Strong, Seiko Hunt Strong. Appreciate you, man. As always, dude. That's awesome. Davey, we got Davey in the house here. What's up, Davey? Yeah, it's good to see everyone. Andrew, so much. Thanks so much for becoming a member of the channel. You are now officially a member of the A team, and I appreciate that so much for jumping on that. Again, our goal here today is to talk about some of the news, talk about crypto. I did want to talk about some, where I'm at in terms of buying and selling. I did want to talk about just some crypto news overall. There's some, I guess you could say, some good news coming in, and there's probably some not so good news coming in. And so I think it's good that we cover that as well on the channel. Always want to cover charts, always want to cover our positions, and then always cover the news. So just got the number one gifter, Scott. Thanks so much. I appreciate that a ton. Which ledger do you have? I have it right here. It's the ledger. It's a Nano X right there. Boom. I kept this here just so I could show everyone. If XRP filled Tether and it's only when a buck and change, 500 million coming. Yeah, it'll be interesting, right? We're still waiting for RLUSD to launch. I mean, that's obviously the big one here. We're waiting for the stablecoin to launch, hoping it was going to launch maybe this week, but looking like it might not, unless something crazy happens today. And here we are over the weekend having a great day for the weekend. But I don't know if it's going to or not. Maybe we'll be looking at it roughly on maybe next week sometime. So a lot of people are saying next week. Spam the like button. Yes, please hit the like button. Roughly, we have about 619 people in here watching right now. Please hit the like button. Subscribe if you'd like to, and let's push this up in the algorithm for everyone. Anybody see Mickle this morning? Get the nodes going? I did not, Toby. I did not see any of that kind of stuff, dude. Ripple has issued over 13 million RSU enhanced liquidity. Let's go. It could be on the verge, man. We have a lot of people talking about this. Is all over X. I don't know if you guys actually are on X, but it's something that you guys should probably jump on. Specifically, if you are into crypto or new to crypto, X is a great platform to get to actually view a lot of your stuff. So a lot of people out there to follow and everything. How exactly is XRP price affected by RLUSD? Is XRP the liquidity? Yeah. So anytime you're moving asset across the blockchain, you got to use that blockchain's asset, and the asset for the Ripple blockchain is our XRP. So anytime you're moving money, you gotta pair it with that of XRP. And I also want to talk about this. We talked about burns yesterday on here. Some comments were in there saying, hey, why are we talking about burns with XRP? Well, you have the CTO coming out here also explaining what the burns are. So I want to bring that up as well. We'll talk about that too. But let's get through some of here. Putting yourself in a position where you can go broke from crypto is a dumb move. There's a middle ground. 100%, dude. Yeah. Only put out there what you're willing, only put forth what you're willing to lose, really. I mean, invest what you're willing to lose is what you'll always hear. So yeah, conquer another beautiful day, right? 100%, another beautiful day. I appreciate that. Yeah, it is. I can subscribe. No stop loss coming. You're putting no stop loss in. All right. You're winging it out there. There you go. I had someone hit me up on X showing me that they had a 15x leverage and they bought at 229. So again, I don't know if they were listening last night or what, but if you actually zoom in on this, I was telling you guys, I was looking at the 4-hour chart last night. Right there at midnight, dude. Right here at midnight, you could see that hit perfectly, dude. Just like I thought it would. Honestly, like I said, it's nice to make the call. It's nice to look at it. Like I didn't make a call on it. I didn't say, hey, it was going to hit this. I just said, hey, by midnight, I think that's where I'll pull the trigger on a position. This dropped down to 229. I think 229 is where it dropped down. And it was just a nice, everything came together from last night to tonight. So here we are looking at it, which is really cool. So it's nice to sort of see that happen. William, thanks so much for becoming a member of the channel. You're now officially a member of the A team. Appreciate that so much. No influencers ever address criticism of XRP. I mean, I guess what criticism, Kirk, do you want to discuss? We could discuss it. I'm open for it. We can. I'm always open for discussing it. I'm not, and again, I don't know if I consider myself an influencer. I just like to talk about it and create content on it. That's about it. So Tim Ski's in the house. What's up, Tim Ski? We got Trent. We got the 199 quant and sell. Yeah, our quant guy here. Trent, if you guys don't know, Trent's been a big quant guy for quite some time. So yeah, he's always on that quant. Do you think the launch will make XRP run? Yes, I do think our RLUSD will definitely bring some momentum to XRP. XRP price prediction this bull run, I'm hoping anywhere from $7 to $10 is kind of where I've stayed, and I think that's a very reasonable number considering how much is coming to XRP. I think there's just too much coming. Wagman Defense just launched on mobile. Oh, did it really? Oh wow, dude! Congrats to the Wagman team, Scott, good old Scott Herman, and the whole Wagman team that have been sticking it out for the Wagman Defense. That's badass, dude. Congrats to Wagme. The reports, a lot of info. Please remind folks to report fake stuff. Yes, Hunter, definitely report. There's so much stuff out there. You'll type in XRP on X, and it's like just spam. You type in XRP on YouTube, it's just spam. So please be careful. You're not going to get anything for free. No one's going to double your tokens or your coins or anything like that. So, are you into meme coins? So yeah, I'm into the established ones. Really, I mean Pepe, Shib, Doge. Bonk. You go down the list of these. I'm into the established ones, but I don't really try to get into any of the newer ones just because they're just too high risk. And I'd rather focus my energy on areas where I can make money. like doing a swing trade, like doing a day trade and things like that, where I can, make a couple $100, 3, 4, 5, maybe even $1,000 on a swing trade versus sweating all night and hopefully have my money not ripped from me. Shib Army, dude, thanks so much for the $20 donation, dude. You are honestly probably, dude, I appreciate you a ton, man. You've definitely donated a lot to the channel, and I couldn't be more grateful, but I do appreciate that. Boom. I appreciate the $20, bud. Thank you so much. Another fake AI ad. Yeah, you're going to get those code core. Those are coming in hot, dude. Those are coming in hot. I think it happens sometimes between 6 p.m. tonight and Sunday evening at the close of the week. Oh, you think that the RLUSD is going to launch? What's the next leg up in January? Ashley, I think Ashley Flowers. Hey, Ashley Flowers, good to see you, Ashley. The next January is going to be really good for Ripple. Obviously, they're going to get the extension here in January 15th. Now with the Trump administration coming in on January 20th, that's going to be huge for crypto, not just for Ripple, but huge for crypto. And then boom, we're going to be going right into February 15th, which the ruling's probably going to get ruled in the favor of Ripple, and that whole case is going to close, which is just going to take the reins off of XRP and Ripple. And also, we already know, I mean, you just hear Trump talking about it on stream right now, or yesterday at the bell opening, and just his rhetoric when it comes to the economy and what his goals are with the economy, and on top of that, what his goal is with crypto. And I mean, if you're in crypto or just into the finance side of things, you couldn't be more excited to hear that stuff. So we got aliens. Yeah, that's pretty wild right now. That's pretty wild. The whole New Jersey thing. And yeah, so RLUSD can move around on XRP. It requires XRP to leave the ledger and to enter the ledger, Hunter. So, right, you got to pair them. So to put something on there, you got to actually pair it with XRP. And then to move it around, it has to be wrapped with XRP. And then you use it to then sell off, and then you would remove it from the blockchain, and so on and so forth. So yeah. Austin sent you a message on X or Instagram about Ledger. Okay, I'll see if I can get to it after the stream, dude. Appreciate that. I'll get to that. Let's see here. Ripple is launching a stablecoin to split the own market and take. Yeah, they were talking about this. So he was saying that if you guys, there's an interview out there with Brad Garlinghouse talking about how RLUSD is here to basically just disrupt the space, and he doesn't believe that Tether is going to have a big of a grasp on the cryptocurrency space as they did before. This is really going to tap into basically any of the stable coins out there. But one thing I'll talk about when it comes to stable coins is USDC is putting their foot down, and there was a pretty big announcement today. They're talking about releasing an IPO for Circle, and as you guys know, Circle is the company who owns USDC. And so basically by announcing that in 2025, Circle's forecasting to put open an IPO, that's pretty big. And I'll tell you this right now, that any IPO coming from crypto, I'll probably invest in. Like, I don't see why I wouldn't invest in Circle, right? It's a USD. I would much rather, I'm much more comfortable putting my money into a USDC than I am a Tether. At least, like I said, to some degree, Circle is regulated to some degree, not regulated on the federal level, but I think that they do some audits and things like that. But now if it's going to be backed by the SEC, they come out with an IPO. I think it's going to be a lot more. It's going to stabilize that. And hey man, and plus I'm all for that. So this will be a very interesting 2025 when this whole thing happens. And it says right here that the crypto predictions are pouring in for the next year. Obviously, Circle is on top of the list for things. It says 3 bullet points, right? For crypto, actually securing green lights to go public demands the perfect storm post FTX. As you guys know, FTX was the biggest collapse in crypto history, and Circle's right there with them. Since the stablecoin issuer filed a confidential draft to register statements with the SEC back in January for this year, and yet we have no movement on an IPO. But we do know that the administration that's coming in right now is 100% for this. And it said, adding to that, we already have 2 companies seeking uplisting on the U.S. stock exchange. So again, it's not just this, but there's also other companies that are looking for an IPO, and that is most likely going to be Ripple. So we're going to have multiple cryptocurrency projects probably move to some kind of IPO. So be prepared for that. And I will say this. One thing I like about Robinhood, as much as I dog Robinhood for everything else, as soon as they move forward with this, I mean, Ripple actually, Robinhood actually might open up the doors to allow an early listing IPO, just like they did with Coinbase. So like I said, my entry into Coinbase is when Robinhood actually launched the IPO. And I was able to get in early on that purchase because of Robinhood. So I'm hoping that Robinhood does something like that as well. And yeah, it's going to be very, very interesting to sort of see how this plays out. But I'm on board with this. I don't know if some of you guys are, but this kind of stuff excites me for sure. Even if it is Circle and it's USDC, I just think this is a big growth for crypto as a whole. So yeah, $7 to $10 is impossible at this bull run. Realistically, $5. I think looking at it, it all depends on how much money flows in, right? We don't know how much money is going to actually flow in to RippleNet, right? I mean, it all comes down to the money. It all comes down to how many of the transactions are, and this, you could hear the CTO of Ripple talk about this. Like, we could sit here and put pie in the sky on what the numbers are going to be, but we don't really know how much money is going to flow in. It's all based on how much money flows into the space. So, and flows into Ripple. So until we see that, it's going to be interesting. Criticism of XRP is child's play. XRP has been criticized, dragged through the mud for several years. So what are you talking about? Yeah, I mean, I feel pretty bad for them, dude. I mean, they're the only crypto out there that's literally been through the ringer. I mean, I think, what did he say? They spent easily over $100+ million in legal fees to fight the SEC. That's wild. Alan, what's up, man? From Costa Rica. Good to see you, buddy. Explain your price prediction of $5, given the XRP rose to number 3 in crypto and it's barely went up $1. Do you think another 500 billion is coming through in this bull run? We don't know. Again, I think that there's going to be I think there's definitely going to be a RLUSD is going to be launching on there. I think that's going to bring a lot of money into it. Plus, you're going to open up the doors for. I think there's a lot of other things coming in, dude. I think I personally, it's just my personal opinion. Like I said, we've been holding since 30 cents, dude. If it gets to $5, if it gets to $3, I'm ecstatic, dude. So $5 is just a plus. $5 is an extra plus. But I just said, I think that another, I think $7 puts it right there to compete with Ethereum. So yeah, I think that it's going to compete for sure for pricing with Ethereum. BTC, is that the chart you should watch? That's what's going to happen next. Hamburger, yeah, that's what we were watching. We watched this. We were watching the chart yesterday with both XRP and Bitcoin to sort of see where the prices were on this. So a lot of this came together. If you go over to the 4-hour, this was actually a little bit higher on Bitcoin up here. It was roughly over here. It's kind of a little bit higher, but I mean, if you go to the 12-hour, you could see right here right at 16, and then this was 13, and then it started to climb back out and started to climb through from the 20 to the 80 right here. And yeah, it was starting to look pretty nice, dude, from Bitcoin standpoint. Top of the morning, A-team. Michael B, what's up, man? What's up, dude? That neon, you think now is a good time to buy SHIB? Yeah, I'll let you guys hack that one out. MT, thanks so much for the donation. Do you think XRP can reach 250 or 260 tonight? I'm hoping for it. We'll see. Fridays are usually pretty good for crypto, it seems, as of late. Last Friday, it went really well into the Saturday and into Sunday. I think we got up to, what was it last weekend? We got up to 264 last weekend. So here we played out the days. But yeah, I mean, we'll see what happens here. It's still trading. This is good right here. It's trading sideways. We didn't create a new low right here off this last little dip right here. We're actually coming back up. And I think we actually are stabilizing this. And it gives us a potential for a nice little rally. As you can see right here, this is the bull flag that we're talking about here. This is a really good bull flag right here. I mean, this is straight. I don't know what else to say here. I mean, I think this speaks 1,000 words. So USDT being delisted. Yeah, I saw that, Trent, being delisted. It's definitely it's definitely going to be delisted at some point over there. So yeah, be careful of that if you're over in Europe. I just listened to your ad right now. I have Generation Wealth now. Josh, that's actually pretty funny. Except USDC fees suck. They kind of do. Yeah, they do. USDC can rip you off a little bit. But resubscribe. I'm trying to be negative. I'm not trying to be negative. I'm trying to save you money for XRP crashes. It might have 1 or 2. I guess, Kirk, like a lot of us here, 20% of the people here in the chat, definitely they bought at below 50 cents. Then we have another 20% of the chat that roughly bought anywhere from $1 to 50 cents. And then we have another about 20% of the chat that has bought roughly about anywhere from, I don't know, 150 or $2 down, and then anyone else bought 30% bought from $2 up. So I think a majority of the people feel pretty confident with their bags. Papa Don, you can just click on the link above if you choose to, and go from there. So what do you think about XRP? And I don't think you're being negative, man. Hey, dude, come in here, express your concerns, express whatever you want, dude. This is an open, there's no issues here, man. Anything you want to talk about. What do you see XRP doing? Do you see it going back down in the next few days? Right now, I mean, there's too many bullish signs for me to say that. I mean, I guess personally for me, like I bought at the 2:30 last night at midnight. And I'm going to ride this out and sort of see where it goes. And, we'll see what happens. You're going to have some fun. We'll have some fun over the weekend, man. I haven't looked at USDC or DC. They're pretty much the same. Yeah, it's just a stable coin. Can you analyze Jake? Can you analyze the last Friday the 13th? I'd probably have to go back and look at those. Yeah, that would be cool to actually go back and analyze that. Do you offer private coaching? Scott, I don't. I don't. When I transfer my crypto from Robinhood to Ledger, can I keep purchasing from Robinhood? Yeah, Gabriel, you could definitely do that. Moomster, thanks so much for the $20 for coffee and gas money to kick this Kurt guy out. It's a safe space. What is that? We're in a safe space, Moomster. Hey, I appreciate the donation, man. Thank you so much. And yeah, appreciate the coffee. Cheers to anyone getting their coffee morning fix on. Thank you so much for the donation to the channel, dude. I appreciate that a ton. If you believe in Ripple, invest in it when it goes public. 100%, Kirk. And I will. I mean, if it goes public, dude, there's an article that came out here. Let's see. It's right. It's talking about the cryptos going public, investing in Ripple. So here's why it says investing in Ripple stock, how to buy the pre-IPO shares. So there's actually a whole discussion about how you could get in on this. And I guarantee you a lot of people here are probably going to jump in and buy this IPO when it's given if it's given an opportunity. Even if it launches on the public, even when it goes public, people are going to be buying it. And I think there's just a lot of things going for Ripple. And again, that's just my personal opinion. Why is it going to crash? It'll be interesting. I don't think it's going to crash. What's the next coin to buy? Well, I think there's a lot of cryptos out there. I was talking about a couple of them yesterday. I mean, some of these you could probably play put some nice little longs on there. I mean, I was talking about that the Move token. I mean, that thing dropped like 3x, and it's on Coinbase, and it's ranked 89 or 80. I was shocked to sort of see that happen, but it did. So, Art Caffeine, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You are now officially a member of the channel, and I appreciate that a ton. Thank you very, very much. $5 a joke. Need a 10 to 100x from here. Trent needs that. He needs that fix, man. He needs that, like, I just 2x my bag. I got in late. Heck yeah, Rebecca. Hey, 2x is good, man. I know some people are looking for a lot more, and hey, you got to begin somewhere. So kudos to you on getting that. Easy, man. It's like he's telling everyone it's going to 1,000. I don't know if I said that. I don't know if I've said that. I mean, I basically said that I could see this doing really well. Thanks for the crypto updates. I get more knowledge here rather than 60 minutes with CBS. Well, CBS is CBS, right? I mean, talk about an interesting place to be. I've been watching you twice a day for more than last week. Learned a lot. Oh, cool. That's awesome, dude. Yeah, hopefully you guys don't get burned out on me. I probably go too much. I don't know if I'm gonna. That's one thing. I don't know if I'm gonna stream tonight, dude. I might disappoint you guys. I might not stream tonight. Got some soccer stuff I got to do, and I might not stream. So I'll put out some content over some stuff. But yeah, that'll probably be the first night stream I haven't had in a week. So we'll see. We'll see what happens though. Maybe things change. World of Fight, thank you so much. Need Elon to announce XRP as payment for X. Oh, dude, that'd be nuts, right? If we a stablecoin launch, dude, that would be insane if that actually happened. I'd be on board with it though. Hey, count me in. And thanks so much for the $5 donation to the channel. I would so be on board if that happened. Watching Austin with some coffee in the morning, change the game. Hell yeah, Brian. Cheers to the coffee game right here. Yes, as you guys know, I'm a Starbucks. I like my ice cold Americano Starbucks, dude. That's all I drink. Straight up, just black iced Americanos from Starbucks. When RLUSD comes out, will ETH rise? It could. Yeah, they're going to be using it on the ETH network. I mean, yeah, ETH could obviously benefit from it too. I mean, it's not just it's going to be Ripple. I mean, you're looking at other blockchains looking to use this asset. We don't even talk about that. That's actually a really good point. I'm glad you said that. Dana, I'm glad you said this actually, because this is even more. I mean, this should give you even more bullish of a feeling here. So let's just take this into consideration. So, people on the Ethereum side that hold Ethereum, I mean, you're still going to use RLUSD. That should help out the other blockchains that are there. It might not help out XRP directly, but it's going to help out the other blockchains that it's used. So yeah, this is bringing use case, because obviously they want RLUSD to be used no matter what. They just want people to use their RLUSD, just like how Tether is and Circle is and stuff like that. So when you think about this, like using this on Cardano, using this on Tron, using this on Ethereum, using this on Ripple. I mean, you can go down the list of things where this could be used on to bring it could be a lot of benefit, and then you can move it, make it a nice transition to move it back over to Ripple and make the transaction happen. The only thing that people had to realize here is that using ETH, I mean, we did the math here. So if a guy wanted to transfer like $1 billion worth of XRP, or if they wanted to move $1 billion worth of money, they pay 0.00018 cents to be able to move that across the board. However, if they were to transfer it on ETH, it comes out to like almost $2. And if it's Bitcoin, it's a little bit higher. So there's a lot of things to look at when when you're transferring this stuff. So yeah, and it goes slower, right? I mean, each network is a little bit slower. So what'd you say about us in Europe? Oh, their USDT is getting deregulated. So any of the stable coins over there that aren't regulated are going to be removed from exchanges. So yeah, it's going to be a pretty big hit to the stable coin. That's why you're seeing a little bit of the depegging coming up here. Look, Tether is still depegged by, I mean, it's down to 0.9997, which is 0.13% or 13%, or 0.13%. And that's kind of concerning, right? And then you go down to USDC and you can see USDC is down to 0.00996. So you can see this like slight depegging. It's not a big depegging, but it's a slight depegging because of this news with RLUSD, I think. Typically you don't see, I mean, you'll see it here it'll definitely go up and down, but I mean, it seems like it's been like this all week to have these dips right here. And when you saw the announcement, let's just pull up Tether right here. Let's pull up the 7 days. I mean, look at the announcement right here, December 9th, or yeah, what was that? The 9th? What day was that? What day was the 9th? The 9th was Monday, dude. Yeah. So right when this is the 9th, and then yeah, it totally has been down since this whole week, dude. It's continuing to climb down from $1 all the way down. And when you think about it, when you're sending a large amounts of money through that, I mean, just little tiny 0.01% is a lot of money. Base fees are small, but I'm trying to sell a nice bag, but the price change is brutal. It's true. The price is brutal. Do you think it will drop to 2 or 190? You know what? Hey, dude, never say never, dude. Crypto is a space where you can never say never. All you do is try to look at indicators. We found the indicator last night. Like I said, we bought at the dollar, the $2.29 to $2.30. And yeah, now you just some people are putting their stops in, some people are not. Some people are going to ride this out and see where it goes. And hey, man, people can make anywhere from, like I said, I'm on the verge of making anywhere from, $400 to $500. I mean, my stop is at like a $400 stop right now. If I make $400 on the day, dude, I mean, $500 in 24 hours, I'm happy with that. I'm not looking, like I said, if we're doing a swing trade or a day trade, I'm happy with $500 here, $500 there. And, some people don't like that. Some people want thousands, and that's fine. Go do the leverage trading, and you can make good money off there, but you're going to, bring up the risk. I would much rather continually just make anywhere from $300 to $500 to $800 and keep moving forward. And so when I sell this, yeah, I'll pay some capital gains on it, but it's okay. I'll probably have some losses down the road too. So you think Bitcoin could fall back to 9? Dude, Torres, I mean, nothing, dude, because what's crazy about it is we've had those flash crashes these last couple weeks, and it's kind of nuts. It's going to be a great week, and I hope so, dude. I'm going to keep my fingers crossed. I think we should be in for one. Get an XRP now. It's only going to go up long term. Sammy, I think a lot of us have just been sort of waiting for this. The entry point for me on XRP was last night at 229. I got in at 230. It hit down to 229, and then I got in at 230. Right around midnight. It was like 11:45, And on last night's stream, we talked about that, dude. We said I was saying, hey, we're gonna reassess this at midnight because that's when I thought the 4-hour chart would come down and hit it, and it hit exactly at midnight, dude. Came down below the 20, came down below the 20, right there to the 10, and I was like, and then everything else lined up between the 12-hour, between the 1 hour, and you can see the 1 hour is sort of coming down a little bit, but who cares about the 1 hour? And then the days, look at the days, still showing that it's undersold. So I was like, you know what? Looks like all things are lining up to me. So do you buy Ripple stock when it comes out? Yeah, Josh, I'm definitely going to buy Ripple stock when it comes out. 100% want some Ripple stock. Yeah, I think a lot of us do. Can you talk about HBAR? Dude, HBAR has been great, dude. I woke up to HBAR and I saw HBAR was up to like, I don't know, it was like 35 cents this morning or whatever it was, or 34 cents. And I was like, oh my gosh, this thing ripped up and came down pretty hot. But I mean, it's definitely looking pretty good for HBAR. The good thing is that HBAR is falling pretty closely to XRP, right? I mean, they're very similar. Same with XLM. These things are very similar. I mean, XLM's a little bit further down, but yeah, HBAR is looking good, dude. You can see right here on the 4 hour, it's definitely coming back up. So, you can anticipate right here. That's where this little bit of the sell-off's coming right here, because you can see it's now reached above the 80. This is where that sell-off came, and now it's going to probably find some area. And it's either going to continue up, which we could look at the 12-hour here, which shows it's actually undersold. So this is actually just starting to come out. So we could actually see we could potentially see on the 12-hour here some good price action from XRP. From HBAR. I said XRP, from HBAR. You can see it's not as high, right? Every day's been in the green, but here we are down here. It's undersold. Again, this is like the average right here. Well, it'll come back up. So we'll probably be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably 5. So right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, dude. I mean, we're right on the verge. So yeah, it could be like Saturday. Maybe we'll start to see this come back up to the 20 and start doing really well. But I mean, look at that. That's looking really good. Hopefully we continue this green trend upward. Again, another potential for a nice little bull flag of what you're seeing right here with HBAR. So very similar patterns, right? Here's the bull flag for XRP, and you can pull that back and look at where did I put it? HBAR. I mean, we're starting to create the sort of the same pattern. So he did that his was on a 4 hour. He did his flag on a 4 hour. So very similar though, right? I mean, there's the bull flag coming up, right? And here, this is HBAR, and this is XRP. You can sort of see right here, very kind of similar patterns coming down, and then yeah, the pull. Yeah, so I don't know, man. I'm pretty pumped about it. So either one. I mean, that's why I like to be in a lot of them. I'm gonna scroll down just a little bit because I did see that guy donated 10 subscriptions to the channel. Appreciate that a ton. Thank you so much, Terry. You're awesome, dude. You've been donating like heck through here, dude. So let me see who you donated to here. You got Trey Nelson, welcome. Tompkin, Messi. You got Jocelyn, Salon, Nick Diaz, Don Glass, John Bell, Libra, Storm. We got Motorheads. Y'all say thank you to Terry or that guy for the donations, and that's awesome. Welcome to the A team. And then last but not least, looks like we got Ben Nguyen. Ben Nguyen actually signed up to become a member as well. Thank you so much for becoming a member of the channel, Ben Nguyen. You are now officially members of the A team, and I couldn't be more appreciative of that. So thank you very, very much for all of that. And that guy, thank you so much for the $2 kiss as always. Sorry, over here on TikTok. What is going on, everyone? Bull run over? No, bull run's not over. We're just getting started. I feel like we're just getting started, dude. It's a good time to buy HBAR. I mean, I'm pretty sold on HBAR. We've had it for quite some time on the channel, and yeah, we just continue to sort of ride this out here. A lot of good entry points to make some trades if you want to. I don't know who's into day trading, swing trading, and all that stuff. So, what situation are you to sell XRP if it goes down? Like, all right, dips are good to buy, but what if it actually falls to almost zero? It's not going to fall. Dude, we've been holding for 3. I've been holding for 3 years at 30 cents up to 50 cents, back down up to 60. So I mean, like I guess when you've been doing it for quite a while, it's like this is amazing. Like this is a great feeling. Like I said, it's easy to feel that way because we're when you're winning and you're up significantly on your bag, I guess it's easy to talk about it like that. where I could understand other people that have just might got into it and they're down on their bag. It is a little bit harder to stomach that feeling, Bar. I'll give you that. You get taxed from Coinbase. This is my first year. Yeah. And speaking of taxes, dude, make sure you guys pay your taxes, dude. As you guys know, right here, early Bitcoin investor sentenced for filing tax returns that falsely report his cryptocurrency. So he got 2 years in jail for not filing his taxes. I can't stress this enough to anyone new to crypto or just anyone in crypto. Just pay your taxes, dude. Just pay your taxes. I know sometimes it sucks. I know it's sometimes it's like, oh, dude, do I really have to pay this? Or, oh, maybe it's too much. Pay your taxes, because this is crazy. This is just this is probably the first of many that's going to come through here for people who did not pay their taxes. And this went all the way back to 2017. So just think about that. He bought in 2015 using Coinbase by submitting a false summary. And when it came time to prepare for his 2017 federal income tax, he lied to his account by submitting a false summary of his gains and losses from the sale of his Bitcoin. So just please make sure you file your taxes. This is the first one that actually came through. But 2 years in jail over 1 million, is it really worth it to give up your life for 2 years in prison over $1 million? It's not. It's not. $1 million is not worth 2 years in jail, in my opinion. That's just my opinion. So that did come out here. So appreciate the comment on paying taxes and documenting that stuff from Coinbase, because here's a perfect example of it right here in front of you. So make sure you pay your taxes. All right. I can't stress that enough. Yeah, it's my position, Jamie, is last night was my buy. Last night was where I bought. So I can't speak on again. People feel it's going to be. People are very bullish on it. I'm very bullish on it. I can't tell you if you should buy right now. That's really up to you. I'm bullish where XRP's at. 4-hour charts looking really good. 12-hour charts looking still undersold. Just peaked into the 20 there. And the day chart's undersold, so it's looking good as well. So when you start to look up all the indicators, and then plus we're having a nice little bull flag sign right here, all indicators are showing this is looking really good. Again, I can't predict what the market's going to do. I can only look at indicators and make a healthy decision for myself. What's up, Ethan Davis? How do you tag people? I'm using an app, but it's not working. I think you just at their thing, Digital's coming back in with the stronghold. Oh, that's funny, dude. Real Decor, thanks so much for the $5 XRP profit share. Are you gonna be entering any profits on that, Decor? Are you doing any are you taking any profits right now? Sorry, I gotta sign back in here. Hold on one sec. There we go. You do any of those? Tompkin, thank you so much for the 5 gifted memberships to the channel here. Let me see if I can find who they are. Appreciate that a ton for the donation to the channel for 5 memberships. You're awesome for that, dude. You gifted Nodos, PKJ, I'm Not a Biologist, Jan B, and Jimmy Cutlets. So yeah, say thank you to Tompkin here. Appreciate the $5, the 5 donations to the channel for the memberships. You guys are killing it with these memberships. I think that we far exceeded the amount of subscriptions on the channel here. Like, I'm honestly blown away by it. I think we're up to, let's see. I think we're up to, yeah, dude, we're up to 457 members on the channel, dude. Wow. That's incredible, dude. I mean, I've literally blown, we almost have doubled my previous high. So almost doubled our memberships here. Almost to 500 members on the channel. That's insane, dude. Never expected that day to come. That's wild. And I appreciate each and every one of you for that. That is insane. I read the BIST last night. As of January 1, central banks are authorized to hold 2% of their capital, crypto, and digital assets. Yeah, that's part of the ISO. That's part of the flipping of the ISO, Eric. So, that's why a lot of the banks are moving towards, the ISO 222. I mean, Casper's killing it, Miss Fleming. Casper's doing a good job. I don't hold any Casper, but I mean, it's doing a fantastic job. And anyone that's holding it, Chainlink, yeah, Chainlink's good, man. Chainlink's killing it, dude. Chainlink's here to stay, and that's for sure, man. Any idea what XRP will go? I don't have I think long term. I mean, obviously, we're all super bullish on the long term. I think a lot of us are showing. Yeah, on his YouTube channel, showing the chart. Yeah, unfortunately, I can't share it on TikTok because I have all Apple products, and so I'm kind of screwed. So I share it on YouTube. So if you want to, you can come over here and click on my name And then you see my little YouTube link and come over and hang out with us over here if you'd like. Not to kick you off of, or not tell you to leave TikTok, but that's just kind of where it's at. So if you don't file taxes after 7 to 8 years, they will start contacting you. Yeah, pay your tax. Yeah, 100%, Selmo, 100%, dude. I did not. I don't do the Kraken. Thanks to the person who gifted me the member. That's awesome, Libra. Yeah, that's awesome. Here we go. Yeah, we're starting to climb up to 244 now. So we're starting to come back up here again. That's a really, really good feeling. Very excited for XRP. Yeah, me too, dude. I think a lot of us are, dude. Congrats, Austin and A-Team. 1.4K viewers here versus 571 on Wendy O. Oh, is she streaming right now? Wow, that's crazy, dude. That's crazy. Yeah, we have about 1,367 people in here right now. Appreciate each and every one of you. Make sure you guys hit that like button. One thing I wanted to ask, I want to see if this actually changed anything. If you could, just go comment where you're from in the comment section. I want to see, like, just, you know, where you're from. I just want to see, I want to be able to go through and see where everyone's from in my comment section. We're asking it to put out here on the thing over here, but it just takes over the chat. So I wanted to ask everyone to put it into the comment section of this video of where you guys are from, so I can see where everyone's from. Obviously, I'm from Seattle, Washington, but it's nice to sort of see how far across the globe we're all connected. It's kind of cool to see that kind of stuff. So if you could do that, that'd be awesome. If you can't, it's all good. Are you rolling those tips into some XRP? You know, I don't know, man. I don't know. I need that neon sauce. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I like I said, you guys have been killing it, and I couldn't be more thankful. Some people said XRP going to hit 190 again. Do you agree? Well, right now, I mean, like I said, I thought the lowest was going to be yesterday when we saw all the indicators pointing to where it was going to go. I didn't know where the low was going to hit yesterday. I just knew, like, right around midnight we were probably going to see. Oh, is that why you can't comment? Oh, so it has to be afterwards. Oh, you can't comment. Oh, that's crazy. I didn't know you couldn't do that. That's interesting. Makes sense, though. Yeah, we'll have to do it after. I'll ask him at the end of the stream. Yeah, sorry, guys. I guess you can't do that. So disregard. Maybe at the end of the stream we go and comment that. Maybe at the end of the stream. All right. Tim Shea, dude. Austin, I appreciate you, Tim, man. Long time A-Team guy in the house here. Always shows me love with the donations to the A-Team. And we have another 10 memberships from Tim Shea himself. Make sure you guys say thanks to Tim, you know, for his membership. He gave Summer Sunrise, Mr. Token, Miguel, the Mad Dasher, Kai Cooper. Dang. And I think we have some more. Was that it? Yeah, right there. Kai Cooper. Make sure you guys say thank you to Tim for that. That's fantastic. And then Little Doink. First year trading crypto and stocks, and your stream and videos have been helping me understand the system more clearly. Love from the Air Force. Oh, dude. Appreciate your service, dude, Little Doink. That is awesome to hear. And thank you so much for the donation. Hey, man, like I said, appreciate your service a ton. Yeah, my sister was in the Air Force. She was stationed in Lakenheath over there in England. And we went over there. I went over there to wrestle in England. And we stayed there for 2 weeks. And yeah, man, it's crazy. But thank you so much for your service, dude. And thanks so much for the donation. And welcome to the channel, man. Let's see here. I think there was another donation. Did I see another donation? Maybe it wasn't. Maybe it was yeah, there's another gift right here. We got Sean Parsons dropping it down with another gifted amount here of 5 memberships. And I'm trying to find the names in my chat, and I can't. Oh, there it is right there. I said Summer Sunrise. So Tim was actually above you on that one, and I can't seem to find Tim's, what he donated. It's not rolling. It's not scrolling up for me. So anyways, I didn't see who Tim's was, but anyone that actually did it with Tim, you know, please say thank you for that. And I appreciate the donations. And Sean, thank you very much. Someone explain why Ripple CTO said XRP should be backing RLU. Yes, CEO said it's USD and bonds. Said XRP, it's not backing RLU. It's going to help. It's going to help with settlements of it's going to help with settlements of the transaction on the blockchain. So it's going to provide some support for it, but yeah, it's mostly going to be USD and bonds. But he's saying it's going to be backed on the blockchain with it. So let's see here. Yeah, I guess I messed up. I flooded the whole thing with putting where you're from in the in the comment section. I'm gonna have to ask you guys all when the video ends to go into the comment section and do that. Because I realized that this I didn't want to flood the thing. I totally screwed myself up, dude. So I appreciate everyone commenting where they're from. This is awesome. Dang, yeah, we got a lot of people all around here. Portland, Oregon. You got a lot of people. Dang, all right. Guam, dude. Wow. All right. Wow. Any RLC news? They haven't said anything yet. They haven't dropped any news yet on it yet. So, Crypto Keeper, thank you so much for the $2. Retest of 2020 market cap high. Makes sense. $1.50. You think $1.50? You know what's crazy is that we can't look at the crazy thing is that it's hard to look at the 2021 market cap for XRP because they didn't actually get a fair shake. They didn't get a full bull run. You know what I mean? They got cut off at the knees with the SEC, so it's kind of hard to see where they would have went. You know what I mean? And they were on a crazy trajectory, breaking all-time highs. And I think that they were going to, or at least on the verge to. And next thing you know, they got cut off at the knees with the SEC. So 1v1 wrestling match for 1BTC. I'd probably gas out. It's been so long since I've wrestled, right? Yeah, I'd probably gas out. I'd probably be done. I'd have to go up to 1BTC. What does it look like when you're gifted a membership on mobile? I think it actually just highlights your name, doesn't it? That's a good question, Adam. That's a good question, JRT. You're gonna have a little logo next to your name. Where's everybody from? I missed it. Yeah, let's not do that again. Let's save that. Philippines. Okay, all right. AMP prediction. AMP is looking good, man. It's definitely looking good. I've only been doing this for a month, been joining all sorts of communities, and there's no doubt this community has less scammers and a lot better info without promotions and BS. Yeah, Tom, I appreciate that. It's kind of wild, man. I will admit, I kind of started 2 days ago, not yesterday. I watched yesterday. 2 days ago, I started watching some of the crypto content creators out there. It's been a while since I've watched content creators, just because it was hard for me to actually get on board with what a lot of people talk about out there. And so again, nothing against other creators and things like that, but I would agree. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. It's like there's always a gotcha type of thing, right? I mean, hey, make sure you're staking on this platform, or hey, make sure you're going over to this and using leveraging, and we got this link right here. Click on this link and do some leverage trading. I feel like you're being sold on everything, and I was kind of like, I kind of felt the same way. Like, man, they're really going out here. I will say this though, dude. So obviously, my channel has gotten a little bit bigger over this last week. I have gotten a lot of DMs from a lot of people wanting to promote things, and I'm like, yeah, not happening, dude. We're not doing that. Like I said, I'm not here to be your your whistle, dude. Like, you go find, unless there's like a legit, unless like Coinbase hits me up. If Coinbase wants to hit me up, that's a different ball game, right? If Ledger wants to hit me up and actually like do a legit partnership, that's a different ball game. But some of these other things, I'm not doing it, man. I will not sell my soul to the devil. I'm overselling the soul to the devil stuff, dude. No reason to do that. All they want is access to your community and to be able to, and it's not worth it, dude. Trust me. If I could give any content creator out there advice, it's not worth it, dude. Don't do it. Don't do it. Chameleon, thank you so much for the donation to the channel, man. Wow, we got another $10 membership. You guys are just killing it with these memberships, dude, and I appreciate it so much, dude. Wow. We got coming in hot here. We got B Michael. We got Sunil. I can't say it. Melodus. I think it's Melodus. We got new what is that? Northwest Treasure. Ronan, Vanessa, Little Doink, Brian X, Chad Lehman, and Carl Howlett. Welcome to the A team. Make sure you guys give Chameleon a nice little thank you for the donation. And yeah, that is fantastic, dude. Along with that, we have Chameleon actually becoming a member themselves. So appreciate that a ton. Thank you very much for the membership. You guys are killing it over here. So just wanted to be friends. Did you hear about the White Rock token supposed to be backed by BlackRock? Speaking of BlackRock, thank you for bringing up BlackRock. So some news came out today. This is probably a little bit of some dismal news here. And again, Chameleon, thank you so much for all the memberships. Thank you everyone here that has dropped the memberships out there and continually growing the A team live on channel. But right here, BlackRock closes the door on altcoins, only Bitcoin and Ethereum for now. So there was some news that came out today with BlackRock saying that they were not going to invest in any of the altcoin ETFs to include Solana and XRP. So Carl, if you wanted to hear some negative news about it, I guess there is some negative news right there, is that the largest ETF holder for Bitcoin and Ethereum is not interested in any altcoins like XRP and Solana. However, I do think this attitude will change because, as you guys know, once you guys start to see the amount of money that comes in, then typically people will jump into it. So currently SOL and XRP ETFs are expected to be approved in the US by the end of 2025. I don't think that the ETFs are going to be, we're not going to be waiting until the end of 2025. I think Q1 of 2022. And I think a lot of other ones are going to be coming at the end of 2025, but that's just my personal opinion on this. And I do think that at some point, BlackRock probably will be using an XRP ETF. Like I'd be shocked if they didn't, dude. So that's just, again, my personal opinion on it, but to each our own on that. Yeah, no, thank you. Not sure why you aren't all over SHX. I could not watch Red Pill Perfect. I could not watch it digital. Is that you? Is that you watching on there? I was having a real hard time watching it. Big Watch sent it over to me a couple times, and I've had a couple interesting ones where I'm just like, I can't, it's hard to listen, dude. Tomkin with another 5 gifted memberships, dude. You guys are on one today, dude, and I appreciate it a ton, dude. Damn, we are adding to the A team like no tomorrow. Wow. We got True. What's up, dude? We got True in here. We got Dennis. We got Zabo. We got iPixel, and we got, I can't say your Kazar. I think that's what it is. But thank you so much. You guys are now members of the A team. Make sure you guys give Tomkin a nice little thank you for the gifted membership. That is awesome, dude. You guys are, we're gonna easily probably break. I mean, easily today. I think we already broke. What did I say we were at when we first started? We were at we were at roughly, yeah, dude. We're definitely I think past 500 A teamers, dude. So you guys are incredible. Larry's lying through his teeth and can't be trusted. But I'm there holding a ton of XRP. Is that who it is? Is that who it is that who it is? Big Watch, is that okay? I get you. I can't watch that. I was having a hard time. Like I was just sitting there like, oh my gosh. Michael PTC coming in hot. Dude, we are membership day. Dude, if you guys are over here on TikTok, you're missing out on some memberships. The whole A team is like going nuts over here. So Stronghold is huge, Austin. All right. I got it, man. 20x so far, and it's just getting started. Yeah, I saw that. You guys brought it up a while back. I will admit that, dude. You guys did bring it up a while back. You guys did. You did. We got Michael BTC dropping some more memberships over here. Appreciate that, Michael. We got Spartan. We got Enable Travel Vlog. We got Crypto Inferno, MR5K. We got Team Monkey Talks, Andy Thomas. We got Kuba, Sheeb24, Mike Anderson. We got Leonardo Sosa. Yeah, make sure you guys say thank you to Michael. Michael is awesome, dude. You've been huge donator to the channel here in the last few days, and I appreciate it a ton. So, but yeah, so the crazy thing with the XRP thing is that unfortunately, you know, they're saying that they're not going to buy into the ETFs. I think that they will. What do you guys? I mean, what do you guys think? I mean, what do you think is the argument as to why they wouldn't? I mean, it's all about fees, right? I mean, BlackRock wants the fees, and if you think that XRP could actually be a legitimate place for people to put their money into, you'd probably want that. You're spot on. Let's see here. RLUSD only approved to run on ISO 2002 technology and approved with the, yeah, exactly. TFox, that is true, dude. What coin to buy now? I hold XRP already. I mean, there's a lot of them out there. We've been investing in a lot of cryptos from XRP to Hbar to XLM to people on here love Jasmine. I don't own Jasmine. We got Digital Orgy up in here, you know, shilling the hell out of STX. But you have a lot of people in here that like Stronghold Token. So Anthology Project, thanks so much for becoming a member of the channel. You're now officially a member of the A team, and I appreciate that a ton. Thank you very much. Jason Garcia, thank you so much for the $2 donation to the channel. Really appreciate that. Followed the live. Thank you so much for all the follows over here on TikTok as well. What's your biggest holdings? Bitcoin. Jason Garcia. Bitcoin's my biggest holding. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, in that order. BlackRock not having an XRP yet is actually good for us now. It gives us more time to stack before the price becomes unaffordable. Hey, that's actually a good way of looking at it, dude. I actually like how you say that. 100% with you on that. I would love to help you out with starting and maintaining if you decide to create a Discord, dude. Yeah, it's funny. I was sitting here. We obviously have a Discord, and I was looking at it, and I was kind of chuckling about it. But yeah, I think it would be great to start one. I have to figure it out, and I want to make sure when I do it, it's right, and it's in the intention behind it's right, and all that kind of stuff. I know a lot of other people out there that content create make these things for certain things, and I guess my intention behind it is mostly for people to go on and learn, and also to set the expectation that I don't know. We'll see, man, but I appreciate that a ton. Thank you. Let's see here. Hello, folks. There should be a law against the advertising that comes before all these. Dude, Jersey, you don't even know Jersey, Linda. I'm with you 100%. It kind of blows my mind that that it's just there. It's crazy the amount of scams that are out there. So just please be careful with that. I do not condone that. It sucks that it's before my video. That kind of it's kind of annoying that that's actually how it's associated, because then people coming in here are like, oh, here we go, we got a scammer in the house, and it's like, dude, we're just here to talk about XRP. Last thing I want to do is talk about some crazy 2-for-1 deal. They spend money on those things. I know they do. They do. Xander gifted 1 membership to the A team here. Let's see who it was. I didn't see who it was. Thank you so much for the gifted membership there. Xander gifted James D. James D got it right there. Papa Don, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team as well. Dang, you guys are on one with the membership. I love it, dude. Thank you so much. Thank you for becoming a member of the A team. You guys are killing it, man. A team getting stronger and stronger by the minute. And then last but not least, dude, we had Ford. We had Ford up in the house. He dropped 20 memberships. Gosh, dang, you guys are going hard today on this Friday afternoon. It's Friday the 13th, so I guess we are getting a little crazy in here. I mean, as XRP is looking pretty damn good, dude. Wow. Let's see who they were. Welcome. We got Sandra, HYP Industries. We got Reed 173, Lee 205, Germ Graves, Lee, YJT, Cricket, Wildcards, Jake Sharp. We got Walks. I think it's Walks. Is it Walks? We got Absolute VK, Barbaros, and Assault Trojan, David Soto, and Chase Bands, and then Black Ghost, I think is what it's called, and then Eric Riza, King Juvie, Daniel Hag, and I think that's it. Make sure you guys say thank you to Ford, and then say thank you to Xander for your gifted membership there. You guys are incredible, dude. ADA predictions. I mean, ADA's a slow mover. Honestly, it's a really slow mover, and I think it's gonna do well. I mean, ADA is just a slow mover, so that's kind of where it's at in my personal opinion. So to each our own on that, though. Let's go here real quick. Boom. I gotta set this up real quick. So give me 1 minute here. All right. Do. All right. Just 1 sec. Sorry, guys. All right. Just 1 sec. 1 sec. Hold on. I gotta get this on here. Safety. Or just 1 sec, guys. 1 sec. Hold on. Damn it, it's not fucking working, dude. I don't care. Good morning. You guys are gonna have to give me 1 second here. Hold on 1 second. All right. Technical difficulties. We are back live. Sorry about that, everyone. I appreciate everyone hanging through it with me. Good old technical difficulties will get you messed up. Let's see here. Where am I at, dude? Now I'm all caught off. Let's see. Where am I missing? I'm missing some people in the chat. Let's see. I got some more membership donations here, which has been nuts. Did I miss any? Oh my gosh. Yes, I did. Holy crap. You guys are going hard on this right now. How do I get a fancy green name? Ford. Okay, so I got Ford. We got, and then looks like Chameleon came in with another $20 or 20 donations. Dang, you guys are just wild today. I appreciate that a ton. Austin, what's up? What's up with the piece? Yeah, dude. Let's see here. Let me get the names down here. I'm sorry, man. Trying to get this thing squared away. Nothing like some good old difficulties during a stream. Jacko, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. XRP. We got Damien. We got Let's see here. We got Bradley, we got Phenomize, Kelly, Monkey, Dogbite, Mr. Yoshki, Matt Ski, Rick Costa, Steph Way, Aram, dang, Christian Carey, Chad, Sind, Jed, freaking Serenity Lake. Gosh, you guys are going hard on the donations here. Wow, appreciate that so much, Chameleon. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you guys say thank you to Chameleon for the donations to the channel. That is awesome, dude. And yeah, hopefully hopefully I was having some issues with this whole thing. So you probably heard me cuss on TikTok. You probably heard me cuss. So I was like, gosh dang it, this thing's not working, dude. Well, Austin got probed. No, I did not. To actually win something? No. Answer the topic of the video. Did something happen? No, we're just talking about, so yesterday, Lag, if you weren't here, we actually had, if you weren't here yesterday, we actually had a pretty good discussion about where our buys and our sells were going to be, and a lot of us made a pretty good entry at the 229, 230 mark last night. So a lot of us entered into. Some people actually did a pretty good leverage trade. I got a few email or a text today showing one of the ATMers entered in on a pretty good leverage trade, a 15x leverage, and he's actually killing it right now. So, we were just talking about a little bit of a swing trade on XRP, but again, mostly of all of us are here holding our bags. We've held it for quite some time. Now it's just a matter of, trying to find a good entry point. And so some people actually got in a good entry point at 229, 230 last night. So that's really what it is. You said Harden again. Yeah, no problem. Welcome, sweet tweet. Yeah, no, thank you. Let's see here. Keep it pinned to the top of the chat if you don't see it. Yeah. Austin definitely ripped one. No. They all denied the probing. Oh my gosh, you guys are wild, dude. So I hate when that happens, dude, when you get thrown off. Okay, one positive thing that came out today was this right here. Look at this, guys. I do want to jump back into this with strategic. We have Van Eck come out here and predicts that 180,000 per Bitcoin is what we're going to see when they embrace a strategic Bitcoin. So they put out their 2010 right here, top 10 crypto predictions for 2025 by Van Eck. This is actually pretty good. Let me get my fat head out of the way here so you guys can actually read this. Look at this, dude. Crypto bull market hits a medium around peak in Q1, sets new highs in Q4. They're thinking that it's going to hit highs in Q4, which again, I said right around September of 2024. U.S. embraces Bitcoin with strategic reserves. Valued of tokenized securities exceed 50 billion. So that's pretty good. Stablecoin daily settlements of 300 billion. That's a lot. Bitcoin layer 1 reaches 100,000 BTC in total. Ethereum space generates about 1 billion in fees. I mean, they listed this whole thing out on where they think this goes. But last but not least, at the bottom right here, it says the value should be around 180, with Ethereum trading anywhere from 6,000. Solana and Sui could exceed $500 and $10 respectively. So as you guys know, Sui's roughly trading about $4.85 right now. And Solana's right around the dollar. What is Solana? It's like a $2, $200, I think is where Solana's at. Yeah, 222. Sui is sitting there around 472. So they're going to double in price. And they're thinking Bitcoin's going to get about to 101. So Ethereum is where they're projecting us to get like well over 100% returns. So Ethereum's kind of the one that they're pointing at here. 6,000. I guess it's doubling. Never mind. It's going to like only go about 2,000. My bad. But this is positive to sort of see across the board from any crypto from Van Eck, right? Any of the large ETF companies. So that if they're thinking that, then that BlackRock's thinking that, that Bitwise is thinking that, a lot of these companies are. So Fidelity, you go down the list. Grayscale. I bought at the 135 for XRP. Are we expecting another sell for profit soon? I think some people probably, you can see 135. Set your stops if you're going to do a day trade or a swing trade on that. You should have probably set a stop on there and just found like, hey, I'm okay making this much money, right? So you can always set your stops and then just wait for it to go up, reset your stop, wait for it to go up, reset your stop. So like, is a 5% good enough for you? Is it like, for me, like a 5% return, I'm happy with, right? Even a 3% return, I'll be okay with. Like I said, if I can make $300 a day, I'm totally cool with it. Imagine you are. I'm looking into going into crypto only. Just need to work out the details. Then I'm converting my direct deposits. Okay, all right. Doesn't buying again change your buying amount? Well, yeah, yeah. You'll decrease. I mean, it'll bring your average up for sure. But if you already have a bag and you've set it aside, doesn't matter, dude. Yeah, people day trade all day long, dude. People will go in and leverage trade all day long. You can set a leverage trade right now if you wanted to. Yeah, hit that like button. Didn't notice that XRP moves with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes straight down, XRP does the same. Yeah, they are what you call. I mean, they're kind of. I guess you could say that they are in some way. They're in some way linked together, right? Yeah, hasn't fully disconnected. Same with like the stock market. You'll see that as well. They are connected to some degree. They haven't fully like depegged from each other. They're pumping. They're just pumping up the bottom feeders. Hey, it could happen. I hope this shit pumps before Xmas. I can go somewhere warm for December. That'd be awesome, right, Hamburger? Does this man sleep? What's up, Andrew? How you doing, dude? Hey, 10 a.m. every single day. 10 a.m. Hey, I pay per trade, so the differential needs to be enough for the offset that. Yeah, so that's why you got to really find a play. Like I said, the reason why I like Coinbase is because you don't pay any fees on spot trading, and they give you a pretty big discount for your leverage trades. But I don't do a ton of leverage trader. Leverage trader, are you a leverage trader, PK? All right. I don't mean to call out anyone, but there is someone here who hit me up. Let's see here let's go to X. I'm going to share. He put it on X. He shared it with me on X. Right here. Name me king. He did a pretty good right here. So he entered at if you can see that right there. He entered at 229. Mark price is 245. And he's at a plus 104.72. Yeah, 15x leverage on that. So yeah, he's on one, dude. So name me king, Royal Decor. That's who we're talking. Royal Decor in the chat here. That's what he's saying right here. So Royal Decor, that's awesome right there, dude. Not to put you on blast, but I mean that's awesome. You did a good entry. Super good entry. People don't realize the potential of XRP, and most holders will miss out on life-changing wealth, right, James? Yeah, you can't convince people. You can't convince people. I just pulled up my tax info on my CUA, and it's showing my gains and almost double what it actually is. Oh, really? Dang. I don't know if that's good or bad. Oh, Luna Classic, Miss Dr. Gazzo. Luna Classic's tough, dude. It's crazy. I still actually hold like $300-400. I think it's like $300-400. I haven't sold any of my Luna 2.0, any of my Luna stuff, so I still hold some of that. But yeah, I think it's just there's too much infighting. It's gonna be tough, dude. It's gonna be tough. I don't think they've really accomplished a whole lot, unfortunately. So yeah, Dr. Gonzo, that's crazy though, dude. Well, I'm glad you're still here. Doesn't buying again change the average cost? Yes, it does. It'll bring your cost up, right? You'll DCA up is what we call it. But technically, if you have, it doesn't matter if you're using it for a day trade versus like a buy and hold. It's a different game. But I mean, you can do the same thing. Yeah. Cheers. Yeah, that's good. That's good, man. You did good right there, bro. I learned so much watching your videos last week. I wish I found you 7 years ago. Any coins I should get in now at the ground floor? There's a lot of people out here, Crystal, that think. I mean, you're going to hear so many cryptos pulled across. I don't even. It's so hard to say which ones are going to do well. That's why I try to stay with the top like 100, 150. And you'll get a lot of people out there will say, "Hey, this is a good one." Like Tim Shea, he always seems to invest in some pretty good ones. I'll give him that. He's in a lot of different ones that do pretty well, and he usually tells me about them, and I'll be like, okay, and then like they do pretty well. So like Stronghold Tokens done really well. There's a handful of Ethereum. I think there's a couple in the top 100 that have done well. So yeah, just listen to the chat. There's gonna be a ton popping up in here. Any meme coins I'm not jumping into though. Portland, Oregon. How is everyone doing? Oh, DJ and Gucci, welcome. If XRP goes up to 2 again, I'm backing the truck up. That's actually pretty funny, dude. Thanks for the membership. Yeah, that's awesome, dude. Are you on any DeFi projects? Obviously we're investing in which ones we have here, but nothing that's really popping out. All I'm showing here on this chart right here is 2012, right here, the halving. That's where the area is down here. 2016 halving, 2020, and then we're right here in the 2024. So you see how much growth is left. How far does Bitcoin go? I don't know, but anytime Bitcoin goes up, we're going to probably see a nice little run with the alts. So very, very common thing to see. So I just wanted to share this chart with you guys. So the 4-year cycles of crypto. So it'll be interesting to see where this goes. Also right here, we're seeing that this is a Bitcoin. We have a breakout right now. So do you have to pay taxes if you don't sell? No, sweet tweet. No. Why are you buying more XRP if it changes the average cost? Well, we're just day trading, Teddy. It's just a day trade. It's just or swing trade. I mean, we're just buying to make a quick flip. A lot of people do that. I mean, whether it's through Bitcoin, whether it's through XRP, you name it. So let's see here. Okay. What's your opinion about XRP? I like XRP a lot, dude. Should I dump Doge and use that? It depends on where you bought Doge at. It all depends on where you bought Doge. What's the chances of XRP moving well this weekend? Well, it moved last weekend pretty well. So I hope it continues to move well right now. We'll see. We'll see. Everything's looking pretty decent. The day, the 12 hours looking all right. The 4 hours on its way up. The 1 hour, I'm not really too concerned about the 1 hour. Thank you for the yeah. That's awesome. You guys got the membership, dude. Yeah, if they drop, I don't know if they're gonna drop it this weekend, dude. I don't know, but if they do, that'd be wild, bro. Break out the riff. OG Gucci. Oh my gosh, dude, that's wild, dude. That's too funny, dude. I wish I didn't watch the chart and check my wallet so much. I wish yeah, you get some OCD with that hamburger. You get some massive OCD with that. Currently, I'm doing a challenge turning 50 USD XRP into 500 USD. Hey, dude, that's a good one, dude. That's good, though. Time for Alex Colson to reveal the truth. Dude, yeah, that's wild. I don't think I'm going to day trade my XRP. I'm going to put it at 1. Yeah, and again, it's all Vanessa. It's really up to, where your positions are. A lot of us have accumulated and have a pretty good bag of it. So then, we're taking other funds, and putting in there to do some day trades. And again, that's really what it is. A lot of people are still building their bag, right? So then they don't want to day trade their bag because they're building it still. And so, yeah, if you're still building your bag, yeah, that's what you're going to continue to do. So, yeah, I use a sub account to leverage trade. My main account is holding only. Gotcha. That's good. That's a good way to do it. Ruby, thanks so much for the $5. Thoughts on Shadow Token and TARS AI? I have no idea. I appreciate the $5, but yeah, I have no idea what those are. And yeah, I don't know if anyone in here knows what those are, but yeah, I appreciate the $5. I'm on Coinbase about 5 times an hour. I feel you, Jeffrey. I'm probably right there with you. The only time I'm not on Coinbase is when I'm on here with you guys. I know some people are saying XRP can go too big because of market cap, but yeah, we could talk about market cap. If you consider it to be a commodity doesn't carry market cap. If you consider it to be a security, then we could talk market cap. But in all honesty, I think a lot of crypto is a commodity. So, it's a matter of just use case and how much is being used. Fun claps. Thanks so much for the 5 memberships. Wow, dude. Another 5 memberships to the channel. You guys are killing with these memberships. Dude, I love it. This is great. Just keep building to the A team as much as we can. That's awesome. So make sure you guys give Fun Claps a thank you. Jim Brown, Abner. Who else do we got there? Oops. Luke, Steve, Chipper. Thanks so much for the 5 memberships, dude. And make sure you say thank you to Fun Claps, dude. That's fantastic. Thanks again so much. You guys are all now a part of the A team. Who else looks at Coinbase at 3 a.m.? Me, I do. The only time I'm on Coinbase is when I'm not on Coinbase. Watching YouTube videos on crypto in 3 weeks has made me a lot of money. Dude, that's awesome, dude. Sold that $35 and took the profits, bought XRP out. Dude, yeah, you guys can make a ton of money right now in crypto. The bull markets are fun. The hard part is when the bear markets come. So that's what you're preparing for too. What happens when everyone gets a membership? Then I guess we're all just part of the A team, dude. What do you use to leverage trade? If I do, and I don't do it very often, I use Coinbase for leverage trading. Moomster came in hot with another 10 gifted memberships, dude. You guys are awesome, dude. Oh my gosh. We got Dan, we got Dun Sparse, Nico, Raven, Eamon, Katie, Steven, Nicholas, XRP Bishop. We got Vanessa, Connor. Make sure you guys say thank you to Moomster for your donations. And then we also had we had Bernie B coming in too with another $20 gifted memberships to a bunch of the A-teamers here, dude. You're freaking awesome, Bernie. Both of you guys, dude. Honestly, everyone here donating, dude, is just freaking amazing. So make sure you guys say thank you to who donate. If you got a donation from Bernie here, it's Pat, Unpredictable F1. We got Trump Tuber, Maximus Silver, Jocelyn, Shar, Candy, Iveman, Tracer, Mike, BK Trader, Andrew T, Charlie. Let's see here. It just jumped on me. Charlie. We got Samuel, Scarlet, Billy Goat, Snowboard Mark, Tabra, Omar, Mind Gamer, and Ding Dong Daddy. Thank you guys so much. You guys are now a part of the memberships on the channel and part of the A team. And thank you very much for all the donations to the channel. You guys are honestly, I'm like speechless with these memberships, dude. You think it'll be a tax season to pull back? You think there'll be a tax season pullback? I think there will. I think Trump's come out and said that we're going to pay less tax. He's pushing down less taxes. So yeah, that'd be huge for us. What do you do during a bear market? Yeah, you could play some. I don't put them in any place to gain. If anything, you start shorting the market. You play the game of shorting the market. You pull your funds out. You sell where you need to sell. Take your profits where you take your profits, and then you play along. You play the game of shorting the market, just like everyone else does. Strong, 18 strong. Yeah, dude, it's getting big, man. I think we just passed. I honestly think we're going to be like 650 people on the A team coming into the next stream. Very much appreciating this community. Good vibes. Sandra, thanks so much for being here. Appreciate that too. You better think an A team member. Oh my God. Why is that so funny to me? Oh, West be playing. That's funny right there. That's probably why everyone on TikTok's like, what is going on over here, dude? He's just reading out memberships. We do talk about crypto. I promise you. We do. Andrew coming in with another 10 memberships, man. Oh my gosh, this is crazy, dude. You guys are wild, dude. Andrew, thank you so much for the 10 gifted memberships. We got William, Mr. Craigs. What's up, Miss M. Craigs? Got 9. White Noise, Lewis, Miguel, Warjan, Danny, Sid, P. Chang. Who else do we got here? I think that might have been P. Chang. Thank you so much for the 10 gifted memberships. Make sure you guys say thank you to Andrew for your memberships. That is fantastic, dude. Wow. You guys are too much, dude. That's amazing. I like a membership. 100% memberships. That is awesome. You guys are great, dude. Thank you for all your info. I'm new to all this crypto. Yeah, Jorge. Thank you for being here, man. It's a membership frenzy right now. It's crazy, dude. You guys are the best. I appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome, man. Volume coming in today is insane. Today is going to be nuts. Yeah, we're seeing a pretty good amount of volume coming in. We're at roughly, what is that, 135? Yeah, today's volume is about 135 million coming in right now to XRP. So yeah, it's looking pretty good on the 4 hour. 1 hour is about 29 million. and 461 million overall on this candle right here. So yeah, charts are looking good. West be playing, coming in hot with another 5 gifted memberships, dude. Oh yeah, I love it. I love it, dude. You guys are great. Oh, this is crazy, dude. This is crazy. You guys are crazy. Thank you so much, Wes, for your gifted memberships. All American Breaker, Devin. We got Pumpkin, Jared K, and we got Seuss Lear. I don't care. Sue. Make sure you guys give a thank you to Wes for his donation to you guys on the memberships. You guys are obviously killing it. Damn, Daniel. Yeah, dude, you guys are killing it. Tangem Ring wallet has finally shipped. Oh wow, I'd love to sort of hear how that all works out. If you were sent a membership, yeah, say thank you to Wes. Yeah, say thank you to everyone, dude. Thank you very much. I'm sitting on 40K XRP, but I bought at 245. Slowly working back, man. Slowly working back. Any news on Doge today, Brandon? Not a whole. I mean, I don't have a ton of news coming through on Doge. The markets are looking a little. I mean, for the most part, looking a little flat. XRP is definitely. I mean, just over the last. It's done well, right? It's come up from 230, 229 last night to where it's at right now. So, you guys are. Andrew coming in with another 10 gifted memberships. Oh my gosh. We got Travis Hall, KG, God damn it, Pyro, Mud Ducking. We got Crypto Military Vet. We got Cuckoo Cam, Goldsberry, Marty. There you are. Thank you so much for the donation. Make sure you guys say thank you to Andrew again for the 10 memberships, man. Wow. Thank you very, very much. Man, we're just blowing up on the memberships here. We got a Venture Nate coming in with a new membership. Thank you so much. You guys are all welcome to the A team here, being a new member of the channel, and I couldn't be more appreciative of it. So, yeah, thank you very much. Probably should wait for the red days, though. Yeah, definitely wait for red days to buy in. I currently have 43 XRP. That's not bad. Hey, man, you got to start somewhere. If you had $200 to add to your portfolio, I'm looking for top cryptos at this point, dude. And again, thank you guys so much for all the donations, dude. It's honestly humbling. Rita Burrito, have you heard about what Whitney Webb has said about crypto, specifically XRP? It makes sense. The World Bank endorses XRP and endorse. I don't know if I've heard it, dude, but I would be on board with that, Rito. That's some good news. I'll have to look that up. Let's see here. I have to look up see what Whitney Webb did here. That's pretty good though, man. Hey, dude, that's awesome. Thanks so much for the $5 too, Rito. Rami, thank you so much. Hi, bro. What are your thoughts on Algorand? I mean, Algorand's great, dude. I think Algorand's one of those ones that are here to stay for a long time too. A lot of people here have Algorand. A lot of people support it. It's not obviously it's not as like a talked about crypto, but I mean, Algorand is it's here. It's been here for a long time, and I think it's one of those that will stay. I think. Let's see. I can't even find where Algorand's at. But I definitely think it's one of those that I think people are Algo. Yeah, 44. So yeah, it's up there with the quant. I mean, yeah, it's good. I think it's a kind of a, for me personally, I think it's a slow mover. You can see it's still down from its all times. Slow mover, which is just like it's almost like a Cardano to me. It's a slow mover. So, but yeah, I don't think it's bad by any means. Moomster, thank you so much for the 10 gifted members again. I appreciate that a ton. And let's see here. We got Flecken, we got Spitz, we got Buxus, we got Austin, Demi, we got Diaz, Lori, KG, D1. We got, what is that? Jodito, or I'm just gonna say Joe. We got Filthy Clean. Dude, make sure you guys say thank you to Moomster. Moomster, thanks again for another 10 gifted memberships, dude. Wow. Damn. All right. Here we go. You guys are great, dude. Thank you so much. I don't know why anyone would buy ADA, Algo, etc. What is the use case? I mean, they're obviously a blockchain. I think that they're just, again, they're slow movers, and I think that they do have some use cases behind them as to just being a blockchain, running smart contracts on them, which again, a lot of other blockchains are out there doing. So yeah, I don't own any of them. I don't own ADA or Algo, so it's hard to say, but I do think that they're not bad. I mean, they're established, they've been here, they're just slow movers. That's all. I'm green on the inside. More green names means more green on the chart. I like that. I like that. Well, it's doing pretty well. We're still sitting at 242. I mean, it's going to be looking pretty good. Oh my gosh, Andrew. Holy crap, dude. Andrew just gifted 50 memberships, dude. Oh my gosh. Insane, dude. Insane. Dude, Andrew, thank you so much for the 50 gifted memberships. This is going to be a big one right here. Oh my gosh. We got Blackhawk, Paradise, Daniel, Denver, Trey, Avi, Andrew, Phil, April Storm. Dude, sorry guys, we're all going through this right now. We got Naka, we got Mustang, Steven, Mr. Rescue Pack, Ansel, the Sword and Pearl, Three Evil in, K-Man. We got Joni Metcalf. We got Sir Captain Sticks, Steve, it's Corey D, Silver Sterling, Zed, Aline Petzer, Benedictus, Marcelin, Daniel. These are hard names to announce, by the way. I feel like I'm in school trying to pronounce, like, give an attendance list. David, Young Cash, Aaron. Wow, dude. Insane, dude. Insane. Are they still coming in? William, Decoff, Silver Shire. Oh my gosh, dude. Andrew, man, you're wild, bro. You're wild, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. Thank you so much for all the memberships here. Holy crap, dude. 50 memberships. And then last but not least, let's welcome Jim H here. Jim, thank you so much for becoming. You guys are all part of the A team. Welcome to the memberships of the channel. I think we're honestly, this is insane. I don't even know how many gifted memberships we have. I couldn't even tell you, dude. Let's see. I'm actually gonna pull that. You guys are just wild, dude. Damn. I'm not even here. I can't even talk about crypto right now because it's just crazy, dude. We got Dawson. Hey, bro. It's been a while. Just came to say hi. I mentioned a project I'm working with. It's called VM Cats, vending machine cats on Solana. We are working online casino. Phase 1 is releasing soon. Dawson, appreciate the $10. Your name definitely sounds familiar. And yeah, good luck with all that, dude. And people can write it down if they'd like. But yeah, good luck with it, dude. And thank you so much for the $10 donation to the channel, dude. You're awesome. Adam L coming in hot with the new member, dude. Thank you so much for the new membership to the channel. Adam L's been here for a long time A-teamer, and I appreciate it, Adam, for becoming a member of the A-team. Thank you very, very much. Membership giveaway are competing with XRP Rally. True. They are, dude. They are. And you guys are all fantastic, man. Oh my gosh, dude. This is wild. We have membership whales up in here, dude, for sure. For sure. And everyone over here on TikTok, thanks for hanging out with me through this crazy membership spree that we got going on over here. How dead is XRP? Not dead at all. Scamming loud. Oh, what? Ondo cooking today. Ondo actually did look pretty decent today. I'll give you that, dude. Han, thanks for becoming a member of the A team. You are officially now a member of the A team. Thank you very much. You are now a member of the channel. It's a member party for sure. You need a graph for the joiners. Do something, man. As we sit here and look at these charts, dude, this is wild. Hbar buy order at 0.30 valid. 0.30. I mean, we can look at it real quick. I mean, right now it's a little. We just reached this will be the 4. So yeah. Yeah, I'll be interested to see where Hbar goes, to be honest with you. I mean, yeah, it could do decent. I don't know, 3.30. I don't know. We'll see if it gets down to 0.302. Why are there so many XRP haters? Big salsa. I think a lot of people missed the boat, bro. You think Shiba will go anywhere? Yeah, I think Shiba is going to continue to shine. Dude, honestly, guys, thank you guys so much for all the memberships and all the donations to the channel. Like, honestly, like, you, I don't even know what to say. I'm kind of speechless, to be honest. Now I'm feeling silly for paying for my own membership. 18 memberships are pumping harder than Fartcoin. Oh, dude, so funny. What exchange is the Oz token going to be on? Oh, dude, Andrew, dude, thank you so much for the $20, man. You're killing it, bro. Just want to say, love you all. Keep on path, Austin. You're going to change people's lives. You did mine. Long time lurker, big love. Oh, dude, Andrew, I appreciate you, man. Honestly, it means a lot to me to hear that. And yeah, we'll continue to keep doing it, dude. And having people like you on the A team that continue to support, and yeah, you'll help out a lot too. It's a lot of us here are working together to just try to win in life, and that's really what it comes down to. And I couldn't be happier to have as many good A teamers as we have, dude. It's mind blowing to be real. So thank you so much. It's your energy. I appreciate that. I'm just blown away by just everyone here showing up and just kicking it. You know what I mean? You think XRP will do another liquidation before hitting a new all-time high? It's so hard to say, Jesse, because like right now, I mean, it's not really showing. I mean, it's showing the positive right here. This could have a kickback down, but right now everything's showing positive. And again, that's just indicators showing that. I'm not sitting there saying I know it all, but I mean, indicators are saying that things are looking good for XRP. Things are looking good for a lot of crypto right now, even Bitcoin, dude. Pull back Bitcoin. Everything's looking very, very good. There could be a major breakout. I mean, this is all leading up to like it hasn't even got to the channels yet for Bitcoin. So when that's not reaching that, I think that we're continually climbing. But to each our own, right? I never stayed on a channel as long as I stayed on this one, dude. And all I've been doing is reading off. Kevin, I appreciate it because all I've been doing is reading off memberships because the A team is so damn awesome. You know what I mean? So I appreciate you being here, Kevin. Thank you so much. I'd rather watch you than go game and gain zero knowledge. I appreciate it. Oh, snap. Oh, that's great. Dawson, thank you so much, man. I appreciate the becoming a new member of the channel. You're awesome. Thank you very much. Austin, you should run a poll members versus non-members in the stream. I should probably. I could tell who's the members and non-members for sure. I'll do it. I'll do it tonight. If I get on stream tonight, I'll pull a poll tonight. New subscriber, thanks for all the knowledge. Rich D, thanks so much, man. They're gonna have us waiting the whole weekend, or at least how? Yeah, they could. It could. Austin, yeah, that's funny, man. I'm working from home minus the work part. Me, Hornet Peach, Blue Study. Oops, wrong channel. Literally stopped watching Netflix while my baby is sleeping and switched to A Team. Oh, Ashley, I appreciate that. That is awesome, dude. You guys are all super. I mean, it's humbling to hear that. I'm super new to this, and you have been very informative. Dude, you guys are. I'm about to like pop my head tonight. I'm about making my head too big. Bring member emojis, Austin. I need to, dude. Hey, Moomster, thanks so much for the $5 again. Definitely need to do that. Big time. So I'll definitely work on bringing emojis back for the A team. Get them back up here because it is super important to have those emojis because they are pretty fun. So thank you very much. Yeah. I closed my business for 5 days for this. Respect. I can respect that. Scam ads are ridiculous. Yeah, careful of those, dude. Those are crazy. Playing Xbox and listening to stream while refreshing charts. Dude, that's dude, droids, that's the life right there. BTC reaching 150K. It's overpriced. This is the limit, guys. Dragon, I don't know. You can see right now. I mean, you can see the chart right down here. We can bring this, make it a little bigger here. Oops. You can see right here. It's not overbought by any means. Oops. Let me just zoom this out real quick. So you can see right here, I mean, it's not. You can see it's just came out into the above the 20. So we could see, yeah, we can have another little, maybe another little breakout here. How high does it go? I don't know, but there's definitely some good volume coming in. So Brad Garlinghouse just announced on Twitter that the SEC has been defeated. Did he really, dude? Let's see here. The SEC is just another way. Oh yeah, what he said. I was talking about this yesterday, dude. This is crazy. They are just weaponized, dude. Dirty work, man. It's kind of what it's been. Been listening for the last week. Great advice and great conversation here. That's what it's been. Just great conversation. Talk about things and work our way through them. So yeah. Currently at the gym and listening 100%. Oh, that's awesome, JRT. Appreciate you being there, man. Getting that work in, bro. Adam, thanks for becoming a member of the channel. You are now officially a member of the A team, and I couldn't appreciate that more, dude. I do the same thing on my days off. PS5 with Austin playing. Dude, that's awesome. That's awesome, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. That's crazy. Struggling to get to 245 though. Yeah, it's hit there. It's it's hitting there, but we'll see what happens here. So bonk any good? I think it's established as good. Yeah, thanks to everyone becoming a new member at work, not getting anything done because I've been listening to you all day. Derek. Somebody hooked me up with a membership. No. He didn't announce the SEC has been defeated. It's a continuous spam. Yes, it's a scam. Yeah. Is Bearable 123 an insider or not? Oh my gosh, Moomster coming in hot with another 20 memberships, dude. Guys, wow, bro. Oh my gosh, dude, you guys are incredible. Moomster, thank you so much for the donation to the channel here. Make sure you guys give whoever, if Moomster donated to you, make sure you give him a thank you. We got Phil, Jorge, Tor, Chris, Sauce Media, Josh Jacob, Mike, My Evil World, Gary. We got Ricky, EM, Salvatore, Mark Henry, Gamer Doc, Quentin, Eric. I think I got them all right there. Thank you so much again, Moomster, and make sure you guys say thank you to Moomster for the memberships. This is crazy. I'm going to tweet that anyone tuning into Awesome is a free membership. Oh, dude, you guys are amazing, dude. Wow. Do you trade futures? Not very often. Every once in a blue moon, but it stresses me out. Clickbait. But I do. I have. So yeah, that's where it's at, dude. Can you check the Sophie for me? I think it's about to rip. Marty SoFi. Let's hope XRP pumps as much as Austin subs. Yeah, dude. I don't even know where my subs are, but I know you guys are killing it up with this with the A team memberships. That's wild, dude. Future trading, and man, you need zero emotions for it. Yeah, PK, you do. You need to just here's where I'm setting my limit. Put it in there, put your stop, and then just let it happen for what it needs to be. Yeah. Thanks, boss, for the sub. Yeah, that's awesome, dude. Thank you so much, guys, for all your subs. It's honestly, I don't even know what to say. How much is the membership and how do I do it? It's $1.99, $1.99. It's up there. So I'm here every day grabbing your knowledge. I feel like I belong to the A team. I appreciate that, T-Rex. Thank you so much for being here. Should I buy now? A lot of us were buying at the 29 mark. So yeah, 199. When it starts snowing, all the grandmas come out. Do I need to purchase a VPN to leverage trade on XRP? You shouldn't have to. No, I don't think you need a VPN for it. Want to sponsor my Netflix subscription? Big A. Johnny, what's up, buddy? We going sideways till it crosses the 50 moving average that we said. The moving average of 50 on the upside. Yeah, that could be in Llama Heather. Yeah. Any thoughts on scale? I don't have too many thoughts. Alex, yeah, I just focus on crypto and making content and looking at charts and trying to make some good swing trades. That's typically what I do. No sell XRP now, just relax and wait for the next leg. Yeah, be patient, dude. Patience is key. Winning early in the big relief in my first time capitalizing on accumulation phase. Lonzo, dude, that is so good to hear, dude. A lot of us have, and that is, I'm glad you're saying that, because accumulation phase is one of the best phases in crypto. So bought nothing but the best, dude. Smart man right here. Carrie, thanks so much for becoming a member of the channel. You are now officially a member of the A team, and I thank you very, very much, honestly. It goes below moving average of 200. We are waiting again. You're talking the 200-day moving average, the 200-day moving average. On what chart are you looking at? Are you looking at the 1 hour chart or the 4 hour chart? Because it hasn't reached below the 100 EMA on the 4 hour. I can't load the Blofin website. I don't even know what that is. I worry about my most ridiculous thing, like how does a guy who drives a snowplow get to work in the morning? Dude, that's that's actually pretty funny. Alex MC, bro, is there a content creator or some other outlet you look into for all your crypto news or guidance, kind of like you were doing with you? I mean, I early on in crypto with content creation, there was a big group of us that would stream together, hang out together, talk crypto together, and we kind of relied on each other and had support for each other for years. And through time, a lot of us sort of disbanded, don't talk to each other anymore. A couple people passed away, and yeah. So honestly, after I gained my knowledge, I kind of just go out and just do all my own research. I look up my own stuff. I take my own, I don't really listen to a whole lot of other people because I'm sort of in my own zone and have my own thing going on. And, people will give me things. People will give me insights all the time. People will send me stuff and I'll look at it and stuff. But yeah, I don't really watch a whole lot of people anymore. It's probably been a couple years. Like I said, I'll tune in every once in a blue moon. Yeah. Rest in peace, Jeremy. Yeah. He was a big one. Yeah, so that's kind of where it's at, man. I don't know if I answered your question. Thanks so much for the $5, but there's content creators out there. You just got to find the ones that you like, the ones that you like listening to, and the ones that, I honestly like the ones that are engaging. And there's not a lot of content creators out there that are super engaging. So, especially in this space where engagement is huge because people are new to this space and need help. And I like that, I think that's kind of like that's who I am. I'm like I like working and helping people. I mean, that's my previous gig. I don't tell a whole lot of people this, but my previous life I was I was an EMT firefighter, so maybe I like helping people. Maybe that just comes naturally. And in this space, I think it's important you engage with people and help them as much as you can. So thanks for the curious. I'm like 2 months in, so knowledge. Yeah. Thanks, boss. You're curious, just curious. 2 months in, so trying to pick up as much knowledge as I can. Yeah, a lot of great content seem to full of all the positivity and knowledge, or pushing and pause. Okay, yeah, you'll get a lot of that. They'll just push the products that they're in, what they're paid for. You'll see a lot of that stuff here in this space. And I will admit, when I first started, I kind of fell into that trap of doing that, and I just realized that it just hurts your community, and people get wrecked and they get hurt, and so that's just not the content I want to create for people. So that's just me personally. But yeah, I appreciate the $5. Thanks, Edgy, for the $5. My bank account is 15 and my crypto portfolio is 100K. Either I get, hey, dude, what's his name always says, never leave money in the bank, dude. If you have money in the bank, you're losing. So I'm okay with that, dude. Honestly, just make sure you move that crypto to a secure wallet so that you don't get it hacked or anything like that. That's all I care about. Is XCC worth jumping into? A lot of people like XCC, Robert. A lot of people like it a lot. Receive approval from NYDS. The company recently minted over 13. Yeah, we saw that, dude. Oh, you click on the link, Johnny, if you like to. Been 5 minutes without a gifted sub. Channel's dying. Great. It's better you make your own informed decisions to buy than find people who are keeping you honestly informed in your investment. Yeah. a lot of people are gonna they're leading you down to help them, right? So in content creation, a lot of people will talk about cryptos or talk about things because it benefits them, right? Especially in meme coins and things like that, because you, again, you're just liquidity to a project or your liquidity to a staking platform or any of that kind of stuff. And so you'll see that. So it's best to make your own informed decisions and not listen to what someone else is telling you, because they're just leading you down a path. Not all. I'm not saying not all people, because there's good people still in the space, but there's a lot of people in here for their own best interest. A lot of people are here to make money, and when you start putting money in front of people, their values change. So just think of that. I'm brand new in the last 2 weeks. There are two of you who I feel sincere knowledge. I have searched, but just the ones that have popped up. Oh, gotcha. You're brand new. Yeah. Yeah, stepping into grace. I'd like to know who the other one is, who the other person is that you think is a good, sincere person. How do we feel, buddy? We bullish or bearish? I'm bullish, Austin. I've been bullish for a long time. Big A. Oh, dude, fun claps. Thanks so much for gifting another 5 memberships to the channel. Let's see who they are. Appreciate that a ton. Thank you so much. We got we got Doffy, Adams, Soft Taco. We got Daniel Huntley. Thank you so much. Make sure you guys say thank you to Funtley or Fun Claps for the donations. And we got Andrew gifting another 10, dude. Andrew's on you're on one today, Andrew. I appreciate you a ton, bro. I don't even know what to say right now, just other than thank you guys so much. We got XRP Licky, we got UCIF, Lucky, Carlos, Sidekick, Manuel, Brave, Dean, Theologians, and I think that might be it. So yeah, say thank you to make sure you say thank you to Andrew. Again, appreciate all the donations to the channel. You guys are wow, dude. Austin and Believes too. I watch. All right, Steven. Yeah, Believes another one. Yeah, we used to talk a lot. He's actually one of the only people that actually has my phone number. I'm a dude. I'm in the circle of trust. New subscriber. Oh, appreciate that, Moose. Are you concerned that if we move to a blockchain financial system, we will be controlled? Brent, you could be. Yeah, very well could be. Yeah, thank you so much again for all the gifts to the channel. Honestly, it means so much. I literally hang out with my baby and watch Austin too. She very knowledgeable about crypto already. Heck yeah, Rebecca. I love it. She's gonna come out like we're just buying Bitcoin. Alex MC, thank you so much for the 5 gifted members. Gosh, you're killing it, dude. Johnny Johnson, Jazer. I think we have Renee, Edward. Thank you so much for the memberships. Make sure you guys say thank you again to Alex on these gifted memberships. You guys are killing it, dude. For those wondering, I scored a goal and had to assist in hockey game last night, dude. Hell yeah, Mr. T Dubs. Love it, dude. That's awesome. Dude, you guys are fantastic, man. If XRP reaches $5 by New Year's, I'll buy a life-size statue of myself. Oh, dude, I hope you do that, man. That'd be awesome. Awesome, Andrew. I've done a lot of own research, but I will take some things from people. Just have to judge what their intentions are. Yeah, Dan, I'm with you, man. I'm with you on that, dude. Do we know how many foreign banks are already using Ripple? I think there's a number out there, but they don't say what they are. You know, how many fake accounts started following me that they said it's you, dude. Yeah, make sure there's so many accounts. Since you guys have all like been here and blowing up my channel over the last week, I've gotten a ton of crazy accounts that have popped up, people trying to scam you guys. So please just be careful. Again, you know, I will never reach out to you if you DM me personally and I reach out to you, that's different, but I will never like reach out and be like, hey dude, like, do you have cash? So just be careful of that, please. Auxilla. Oh, that's so funny. Ricky, thanks so much for the $22.99 super sticker, dude. That is awesome, man. You guys are just spoiling me, man. Spoiling me, dude. It's insane. I love it. And crypto, I mean, dude, honestly, we're gonna see where this goes today. I think that there's some really positive movement with the charts across the board. Even Bitcoin's back above 101. Very positive news with the charts. You know, the 12 hours just starting to come back up. So 1,700 NDAs. There you go. That's pretty good. Dude, Andrew again with the $10. You should start a podcast, my man. I talked about, there's one other content creator in the space I was going to do a podcast with, but yeah, it just sort of fell through, and I'm not close enough to them, so it kind of makes it hard. But yeah, we talked about it, so yeah, it'd be interesting to sort of see how it goes. Yeah, but yeah, guys, I do gotta hop off though. I got some things coming up here, and honestly, dude, I couldn't be more appreciative of where we're at and everything that you guys have done and all the donations to this channel. And Andrew, dude, you killed it today. A lot of you guys gifted so much to this channel. I couldn't be more appreciative of it all. I'm excited to see where this all goes today. And yeah, I'm gonna definitely be jumping back on, and we'll talk more about where this goes. But dude, you guys have like humbled me, man. I don't even know what to say right now, dude. Happy Friday to you guys too. You guys have honestly, this whole day has been about adding members to the channel. That's honestly what it's been about, and I couldn't be more appreciative of it. You guys are amazing. So yeah, quality crypto, I'm here, man. So yeah, I'll be definitely jumping on tonight, Andrew, and you're awesome for all the donations you guys threw this way. Everyone here, thank you very much. But yeah, I think we're going to see a lot of positive things moving here. We'll see what the charts come to, and I'll jump on tonight as well, just because I'm cutting a little short today. But with all that, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll be back on later this evening, and we'll talk some more crypto on this Friday, the 13th. So hope you guys have, again, safe day. We'll see you back here later this evening. Appreciate everyone who donated. Appreciate everyone added to the A team. With all that said, we're out, guys. Peace out, everyone.